says here, now you'll start building the function to actually do the decimal to binary conversion. Create a function called decimal to binary. Okay, let's create it. Function called decimal to binary with input as a parameter. Okay, input. Yay. So we can use that as syntax, but can we try the const method? Const decimal to binary. Okay. Tut, 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 dun. No. Okay, can we? Oh, it works. So it really depends on your preference, but I hear const using this syntax or format is a more modern standard way in JavaScript in writing or creating a function.